What a lovely day. I've just been on my phone for a while. Don't mind the doors, this house isn't finished. Anyways, I'm gonna head downstairs and I've got a big surprise. New house, yeah, I know we only got a new house, but this house, obviously you can see it isn't fully finished yet, but that house, was really good, and I saw the neighbourhood, and obviously that house was really expensive, so yeah, it was too hard to do. Anyways, I'm gonna get my truck. By the way, this is the company truck. This little company truck. But today, I'm gonna be, I don't really know, hot dog, the other hot dog, he told me, oh, this is actually a nice trailer that we have in stock here. And also new shop, I'll give you a little tour. So you got, this is Jimmy. Jimmy is working for us. It's our implement store. We obviously sell trailers for farms. We're an Irish shop, so yeah. We got this garage. We've got this area. We got my office because I'm the boss, you know, I have my office. But Hot Dog and Jimmy can also work in there. We also have that other guy, Bob or whatever his name was, working for us. But I'm gonna back into this trailer right here because PA Farmer, he actually did get that shop. I decided to give it to him. It's too expensive to run as well. You know, I'm saving about a good 400,000 by getting this shop. So apparently this car, I've got to look around for the car, but Hot Dog said he was there, so he cleaned it a little bit, but the other parts he didn't really get because he couldn't. I think he said it was around the gas station area. So we'll have a look. It was probably there, I just didn't see it because I'm blind. It's nowhere over here now. Maybe it's on the kind of highway area. Or the kind of motorway thing. Like over here. Oh, that's it. Right there. Alright, I don't think it runs. Okay, I'm just gonna do a loop back around and put a winch on this truck. Even though I don't have a winch on this trailer? Oh. Oh yeah, I took it off because it broke. Forgot. Anyways, let me just put a winch on the truck. He said it drives, it's just I have to pull it out of the ditch and it's extremely slow. Alright. On this new update, including this truck, by the way, in APM, this little pause to the video. This is a really good update, so WAPM for this update. Anyways, let me go back there. I was thinking of buying that, but it only has one garage space, so like it's not good enough, and the implement store was just like perfect, so. Let me just pull over to right here. No, I'll actually pull a little bit farther down, but I still want it straight. So it does run. Hot Dog got it running. He was on the side of the road yesterday from about rush hour to 5 p.m. So it was a good 5-6 hours there. And he was trying to get it running. He got it running. It's just he couldn't pull it out of the ditch. So, and he only had my truck. So. Because his truck is actually getting transported. He bought a new truck, so that wheel, if we can just turn. Yeah, it runs. Really good, actually. I don't think we need a trailer, but I don't think it's street legal. I just pulled that thing out. Oh, tell me when you guys, I was thinking of doing a little party, the DVO party, so if any of you guys fans want to come along, I'll give you a date next video for it. Like, I'm thinking of doing it next month, but I can't do it this weekend because I'm in a race for Watergrass Hill. Please don't. Please, please, please. Okay. And there's no cars coming today. Oh no, there's a storm. I didn't think about this. I forgot there was tornado watch. You know, if we see Reed Timmer, then we're cooked. But if we don't, then we're fine. So I actually think, oh, it's raining hard. This is quite bad, I've got to say. Let's go this way. I need gas on the way, so. There's a dust cloud over there. I'm not going that way. That's a dust cloud for a tornado, by the way. If you don't know how tornadoes work, there's a big cloud, and if you see something come out of the cloud, like a little kind of hula hoop thingy or whatever, you might want to keep going the other way. And just pay this guy. Yeah, here's $20. Surprisingly cheap in there. Only a few liters though. That is not cheap at all, actually. I take that back. My fuel tank's not big on this. This is an absolute beast of a truck though. This one right here that I'm driving. This one in the back, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I was thinking of making it like a track truck that'll go to the track, but that wouldn't really work because I already have one. I haven't shown that yet. I just don't know where it is. I think Hot Dog has it. So maybe a drag truck. I'm thinking of that. I'm gonna do like episodes, by the way, of trying to do this. So, well, not really episodes, but every video I'll come here and show you guys the progress at the start of the video, so. Alright, we'll just park it there. So I might post a short on the weekend for Watergrass Hill. We're going down to Cork on Friday, so we might post a little short, like a little edit. I'm getting a cameraman to do a little video for me, so maybe I'll post it on here on Instagram. If you want to see my Instagram, it's josh.higgins.motorsport. So go check that out. Yeah, so that's basically it. I had to get this truck licensed, by the way. Like, I had to get a kind of street legal thing for it. I don't really know what you call it. I'm gonna give you guys a little tiny house tour. A house tour, basically. to park this in the driveway because I'm still working on something like this. DVO is still working, we just have a little bit of bankruptcy. Well, not bankruptcy, but money gone. Anyways, this is my little gaming setup, you know. Yeah. This is my dining table, my living room. Sorry it's very dark, guys, I'm going to turn the lights on. My living room, this is my kitchen. We've got the fridge. Whatever this is. Sorry about the doors, guys. My game isn't fully loaded in, so that door is probably the best one yet. Yeah. I'm gonna live in this house with Hot Dog, by the way. DVO Hot Dog, that guy. This is the backyard. It's very nice. Got a little bed there. Really cool. We go upstairs. We got this room. This might be Hot Dog's room, I don't know yet. I'm also Hot Dog, by the way. This might be his room. This is my room. And this is the toilet. And this is the balcony. I don't know where the banister is. I don't think we finished it yet. But yeah, beautiful view of the fire station. Yeah, I went in here. Anyways, I've missed out on a few updates trying to show them, but in this video I just want to show the estate update and this big update. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Every video I am going to come and show the other truck. Now I'm going to turn to the drag one, the one that we got today. And hopefully by the next 3, maybe 4 videos, maybe even 2 if I'm lucky enough. Maybe next video I'll have it done. But tell me what you guys want to see. Well, you can't really, so I don't know how to turn comments on. But we have some banger videos coming up, so that's basically it. And thanks again, APM, for this amazing update. WAPM.